Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to go kayaking. I'm here at the Beattyville boat ramp. What you see behind me is an informational kiosk. It has a map on it for the Pool 14 and the different launch places that you can put your kayak or your boat in, and it's labeled which ones are suitable for your boats with a trailer that goes into the water, and which ramps are suitable for just small boats, John boats that you can pick up like your kayak and put in. Today we're going to go up to 3 miles upstream on North Fork of the Kentucky River. We're going to put in there and we're going to kayak fish down to Beattyville. While I'm waiting for my adventure buddy Jim, he's going to go kayaking with us today. We're going to go over what we're going to take with us. It's a little bit different from when you go hiking in the woods. You're going to take water. This is my bigger thermos that I like to put water in. I also have a small cooler with more water in it. I like to take one of these insulated bags like this. It's just one of those zipping insulated bags. It fits real good on the back compartment of my kayak, and I can put everything in it, and it's in within arm's reach. I already put on my sunscreen and my bug spray. Definitely got to do that. Taking my whistle and my Kleenexes and my handkerchief and my wet ones. We are fishing today, so I hope we'll be able to get a video of some fish. I'm taking my hand sanitizer, a couple worms. I like to catch bluegills, so all kinds of crawlies in there. I have a dry bag to put my cell phone in, and it has my driver's license, and I'll put my fishing license in. It's only like $23. You can buy your fishing license. I've got some hooks and bobbers for my fishing poles. I've got some band-aids just in case I hook myself. Got my good cutting knife. I'm going to have to fix up the fishing poles and put some new hooks on. For people who wear glasses, this is really good, especially if you're in the water. This goes on your glasses and goes around your head, so if you fall in or if you look down and your glasses slides down your nose, you won't lose them in the water. So these actually come from the Red River Zipline. I've had them for a few years now. I've had this one for a few years. They gave them away one year at the Woolly Worm Festival. Let me take you to the back of the truck and show you what we've got. So I've rigged up this for my GoPro. You can put in one of those holsters that hold your fishing pole, but I haven't bought that kit because this is going to be my first time kayak fishing. I haven't been able to really do it yet, but instead I found a dowel that fit just perfectly, and I wrapped it with some black tape, and I have placed my GoPro and my float device GoPro adapter on there, so when I'm kayaking I can just turn the GoPro on and it can get footage. We have two, these are 10-foot kayaks, a Pelican, and I don't know what the other one is, a little bit older one. And we got two fishing poles here, we got our paddles and two life vests. Let's check out the kiosk. These kiosks have the map on it for Pool 14, and you can take a picture of this so you know where you're going. We're gonna put in here at Sharp Rock and just go down to Beattyville. You have your emergency numbers. There's a map to take with you to Pool 14. I added those motorcycle touring maps. There's our trails. These are different new laws or new regulations that they've put in this year. Here's your fish list and your regulations on your daily limit and possession limit and maximum and minimum size for fish. If here's the proper way to measure a fish and how long it is, and then the types of fish and for the Kentucky River and where it's best to catch these types of fish. I think Jim's here. There's Jim.
Morning.
All right. So Jim and I left one truck at the Beattyville boat ramp, and we'll take the truck with the kayaks up to the Sharp Rock boat ramp. So you turn on Highway 52 toward Jackson, and you're going to drive for about 3 miles, and you'll see the sign for boat ramp on your left, and you can turn down to this boat ramp here, And if you look right up the river there's a railroad bridge, and we're going to kayak up to that also so you can see the Maloney Railroad Bridge and what it looks like from the river. We're at the Sharp Rock boat ramp. We've got some fishermen here, a family that come in from Indiana. Gonna go on a trip here down the river.
Morning. Beautiful day.
Yeah, we've got our kayaks ready. Got some fishing poles. Jim, you got your fishing license?
I do. I bought it this morning online. I bought a one-day license for $7 in the bag, double bag, actually.
Awesome.
In the freezer bag, so we're good to go. I'm legal.
All right, this is Sharp Rock. It's a sharp rock. It just sticks out of the river. I think they're getting a family picture. This is Maloney Bridge, and when you're under it, if you look up, you can see a curve in the bridge. So they actually built this bridge with a curve in it. Let's see if I can. There. Yep. So it's got a arch. I can see how kayak fishing is problematic. You got a lot of stuff you got to do with you. Your hands here.
Florida's out for a ride.
All right, have fun.
Have fun. Thank you.